Arty-arty.
Environmental conservation, we support conservation efforts such as national parks and protected areas. And we continue to improve. We will implement and assess, monitor new sustainable practices in the future. And lastly, our conclusion. So eco-friendly accommodation and transportation, sustainable team building and activities and tours, local meals and waste reduction. Thank you. For any questions, please visit our booth and contact us. Thank you. So, today I'm speaking on behalf of my team. I would like to acknowledge the presence of our instructor. We have our beloved, beautiful Miss Melanie. Please give her a round of applause, please. And we have our Miss Winwin. She always says that simplicity is the always win. So let's give her a round of applause. Thank you. And our last instructor, which is Miss Masito, the most friendly one. Please give her a round of applause, please. So, in behalf of my team, I would like to welcome you all guys to our MICE or Meeting, Incentive, Convention, and Exhibitions event. To my future hotel and restaurant managers, to our instructors, exhibitors, I welcome you all to our Marketing Challenge 2024. So, as we all know, this MIC is organized by Arbala Institute, where in this institute, all students treated as a family. And this institute, all students are being recognized. And the only institute that giving us a lifetime membership for free, of course, no other than our beloved GAE Institute. Please give a round of applause, please. Thank you so much.
Hi! Hello!
Today, Sunday,
Wow, cake!
at One Her Hotel, we will be showcasing our ability to participate in this kind of insightful event. So let us enjoy this opportunity and digest all the information and ability and knowledge that we can apply to our future career. In behalf of my team, we are delighted to introduce to you all the Founders Beauty. Founders Beauty offers skincare, wellness, and art of gifting. And Founders Beauty, we believe that your skin is your armor. So, allow us to introduce our marketing team. We have there our marketing sales lady, Miss Yoriani. Please give her a round of applause, please. And we have there our marketing and design senior Jane. Please give her a round of applause, please. And I have here on my side Miss Grace Wolan as a junior marketing and design. And of course, not but not the least, yours truly, Marites, as marketing coordinator. So I'm the one who will coordinate with the company, with the CEO of the company, the Fabulous Beauty. So one time during our Zoom class, one of our classmates asked, she said, "Come on guys, tell me, what is the purpose of this learning?" After hearing that question, I also asked myself the same question. Yeah, what is the purpose of this learning? So I started analyzing all the objectives and activities that we are doing in this lab. Our motto is stress-free for the parents and memorable for kids.
Para malalim madikitan. Yung mukha ng unggoy na hindi man lang binalo.
I-ano natin sa IB para ano.
Kaya wala may kamay na ganyan na IB pero papunta na naman ito itong kanina pa yan. Kahit sa nila sa akin na.
Group members, come to the front.
Wala siyang hopya. Mani popcorn. O, sige, nakuha ka na, IP.
Wala rin man. Tuton ko yung akin.
Good afternoon. We are the women behind an industry, the travel industry. So we are all graduated in the same university and decided to start our dream business, which is we choose the travel industry as we study in tourism and hotel industry. So yeah. Even before pandemic start. Travel industry in the whole world is the fastest leading company, So, but now we are, because of the pandemic, the travel restrictions, many job losses, and it's hard to have to travel around the world. But now we are bounced back, and we are free. We are free to go, we travel, and you can discover and explore the world. So. Pregnancy, travel, and tours over and can take care of your needs.
Arty-arty.